Hello guys, today I'm gonna be making vegan nachos. I'm not vegan and no one in my family is, but I thought it would be fun to try out a new recipe. So that's what we're doing. So first, I'm gonna be making my guac. So let's get our supplies. I bought a couple avocados today and they're not all ripe. So I'm gonna have to go with these three. The other ingredients I'm using is this lemon juice, more or less out of tomatoes, but I have a couple more cherry tomatoes, onion, and cilantro. I'm just gonna grab a plate to prepare this on because I feel like it'll be easier. So I'm just gonna cut my avocados. I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this where you like peel off the avocado like skin. I don't know how to do that. So I'm just gonna do it this way. Oh wow, look at that. I guess you can do it that way. Problem is I didn't get the seed out. I decided I'm only doing 2 avocados because my other one wasn't ripe enough, but I think we'll have enough. So this is the first one. I'm just gonna do this squeezing out technique. I feel like that works quite well. I'm just gonna squeeze it all out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and mash all of this with a fork. Alright, I just finished cutting up the tomatoes and my dad helped me with the onions, and then I cleaned my black beans to put on top of the nachos. But now I'm gonna go ahead and add my lemon juice, cilantro, tomatoes, and onions all to the avocado. I just mixed everything up and here is the finished look, and I decided that we should do a little taste test. These are the chips I'm using. I'm gonna go ahead and try out the lime one with the guacamole to see if it's good or not. Got a good load of avocado on the chip. Oh my god, that tastes just like Chipotle guac. I did it, guys. I recreated the Chipotle guac. I can't believe it. I'm gonna take my cheese sauce. This is the cheese sauce I'm using. It's cashew queso. It's vegan. So I'm gonna put it in the bowl and microwave it. And then while that's heating up, I'm gonna take my chips and lay them out on the pan. And I'll put on all the toppings. And also, for on top, we're doing onions, tomatoes. I'm gonna do half black beans and then half with this like fake meat crumble. So I'm also gonna heat this up. And then we're gonna put it in the oven for a little bit just so it gets a little bit hot and crispy. I'm taking the rest of these blue corn tortilla chips. Here's my fake meat. Now I'm going to heat up my cashew cheese sauce. All right, I've got everything heating up. I'm gonna put on the sauce now. Bro, I didn't know it was yours.
D'accord. Je sais que ça te plaît juste. Viens pas. Tout dessus. Enfin, c'est bon, c'est bon. On va rajouter un peu de cheese quand même dessus, non? Pas du tout?
No.
Hello, Charlie. What's up? Moi, je pensais que tu me...
Well, it'll just make it a lot more crispy.
C'est pas grave, c'est pas grave.
It was a pet rat that got attacked by a snake. Oh, yeah, it was pretty funny. Nothing went.
Alright guys, let me show you the finished look before we put it in the oven. Here is what it looks like, and then we'll have the guac right in the middle, right there. So let's put it in the oven now. Alright guys, here is the finished look. Yummy. And here's the guac. Here's the chip I am trying.
Give me this audio.
You doing that shit? If you pay people to put it back.
Really? S'mores time. Look. guys, it's Camille and welcome to today's vlog. Today is Sunday and we're doing a little pre-birthday celebration for our dad, but not really. And we're going hiking. How's everyone feeling on this nice Sunday afternoon?
Young.
You feel young?
Yeah.
Like, how do you feel? We played pickleball last night and we totally demolished Elliot. He's so tired from how much he lost. Mom, how are you feeling?
Good.
That's good.
On va par là? On va par là?
Yeah, this way. All right, let's go, guys.
Remember Kicks, Papa? Remember the medic?
You guys ready for this? Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can make that. I really don't. Let's see. Do it again.
Wow, look at the river. That water.
So funny.
Classroom closest to the demon mural.
Alright, we just finished. How is everyone feeling?
Thirsty, but good. Hot.
We ended up doing 4 miles, so pretty good.